Hello babies, welcome back to another video with your girl Molebatsixbac. What are we doing today? We are going to do cluster lashes.
What you want to do for love? You tried everything, what you want is love. And in my world, only you make me do what I'm worth now.
These are my cluster lashes. Everything feels so dark, this thing. Let me come with a ring light. Wait a minute. So I don't know if there is a difference. Okay, so we are going to do these cluster lashes. And let me look at a lash map that I would love to do. I don't know. I'm undecided. I am so undecided. Yeah, what do I want to do? So loves, I'm gonna do open eye. It's open eye, ne? I'm not sure. So these are our equipment that you're going to need to be able to do your own lash clusters. So you're gonna need tweezers. They are a must. You have to have tweezers, like either ones, whether it's this ones or this ones. You need tweezers. If you can use them, you will be okay. And then these rings, they're not really like a must, but just to have a clean space, you're gonna need these rings. They are used to put in your eyelash glue. And then this is the eyelash glue that I'm going to use. It's very dangerous. This lash glue will show you flames. And then my lashes, I numbered them. I don't know if they are correct. I don't know. And a spoolie. So this is a spoolie. Mine has a comb, but you don't need the one that has a comb. Whichever one you use, it will be okay. And this tape for your eyes, you're going to take a nice amount of the tape, and then you're going to, let me bring this mirror close because I'll just zoom in while I'm editing, because I need to look at myself in the mirror while I'm doing this. I cannot see anything. You're literally blurry. I cannot see myself. So you're going to take this, put it here, and then pull. And it's gonna be like this. And you can take another one, use it to pull. And I'm gonna take one of my rings, put it like this, and mix this glue. Okay. And the reason being, even if why I gave it so it is because I don't want it to spill like this thing. So right now I'm just gonna fix up my tape for my eyes. And then I don't want them to be too, because this is my first time doing eyelash clusters and I'm gonna use this glue. This glue will make my eyelashes last. So I'm gonna use the number below the one that I have on the map. They say I should start with 9. I'm gonna start with 8. Just so that I'm safe. And when you take it off this packaging, you're gonna pull it from the bottom. You're gonna pull it from the bottom. Don't pull it from the top because you're gonna ruin your lash cluster. Now I have it from the bottom. And now I'm just gonna hold it the other way so that I can apply the glue. And I'm not going to use a lot of glue. And I'm gonna start from inside. I really don't have that many lashes, wait. I don't have eyelashes. I have eyebrows, but I don't have eyelashes. I guess God won't give you everything. And I'm not using a big amount of glue, you cannot even see. Again, I don't know what part. I don't want it here because it is irritating. Even with false eyelashes, it is so irritating. This is the first time I'm doing this, so as time goes on we will try to get out of our comfort zone and reach this style. Let me overlay it a little bit because I don't have eyelashes. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the middle part, and after you put that on, you can, I think I'm gonna shut up and write titles. That will be so much easier. So loves, I'm going to repeat the same process that I did on my inner part. I started with 8 and then I proceeded with 9, 10 and 11 will be on the middle because we are doing open eyes. So the inner and outer, they are small. The middle will be more bigger because we want that open eye effect. So I'm going to repeat the same process. I started with number 8 and then went with 9 and 10. That is what I wanted to say because I wanted to write titles now, but I don't have Wi-Fi, we don't have lights. So, and the app that I'm using, I forgot to download the title because I always have Wi-Fi when I edit. I don't know what's happening. I did download them, but they are not showing up. Maybe it's because my tablet was turned off because I wanted to save battery, but I decided to edit. I want to post this video on Wednesday. Right now it is Sunday while I'm editing. So yeah, that's just the update that I wanted to tell you while I'm editing. So baby, sorry for the lighting, my lights are shutting off. So after all of that process, you're going to use this, or whichever one that you have, and you're going to press them down just so that they can stick together. This is the eyelash look. Let me do the other eye I'm going to do for TikTok, so I won't, for now I won't do all of my eyes, but by the end of this video you're gonna see the full process, like look at full process, the final look. I look so good, I look so good. Hi. Oh my god, it fell. And now it is time for your spoolie. It fell on the floor, so it be lady lomo fat. Okay, so I'm going to brush them out. And yeah. This is how this is the finished product. For my eye, they're not that big. I wanted something nice and small. For now. I am in love, I am in love, I am in love. So beautiful and so clean. Like, I don't want to make them darker, but I'm sure if I can stay with these lashes for a month, then we are good. We are good. Oh, oh, Dima Koto. I am in love. Okay, let me finish this eye. I think I'm gonna finish it tomorrow, so the lighting will be different because so yeah. I will continue this video tomorrow. But for it's gonna be 2 seconds, like it's gonna be 2 seconds, like, and it'll be that. Wait, tomorrow I'm gonna sleep with one eyelash, with one eye done. I have to charge my phone and my lights. I'll try to finish tonight because I told myself right now to the eyelash bush, because what if I can't sleep?